Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you 80 animated titles pack for Adobe Premiere Pro. You can download, link in description. Now I'm extract here this file. Well, there are a total of 80 titles animation, so now I am showing you how to install Premium Premiere Pro, more file. Look, so do the same cart or copy, see after. Your user. Then app data. Then roaming. Then Adobe. Then common. Then motion graphics templates, if copied or cut here, paste it, see I gave it. I am done. Now I am opening Adobe Premiere Pro. See. If you do not have this Essential Graphics tab, click Windows to open and click Essential Graphics. Installation is done. You can see that everything is installed. Now you can use them on top of the video, so I will show you how to use it. I came to the timeline in a simple way. This is a round shape animation. You can see that 2 colors are used here, 4 taxes can be used. The shape can be adjusted from here. I am changing the color of these. I have changed the color of the vision. The 2 colors of the shape at the end. You can change, see I'm changing. You can change the color from now on. You can change everything from here. You can change the animation style. If there is a problem, of course, let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.